This is Kriya. I have purchased iPhone 12 Pro at Shop the World. This is my first experience at Shop the World and it has been a great experience. And this is, I'm unboxing iPhone 12 Pro and I'm too excited. And also I've got on time. I'm very happy for that. And for Sankranti, I'm so happy I got this product before Sankranti.
We got the product on a good discount too, compared to any other websites like example Flipkart, Amazon. The service was also too good. We had a personal interaction with the person from taking up the order till dispatch. They were in touch with us.
Yes, we got it for the best price.
We recommend others too to run it.
Oh yay! OnePlus 12 Pro, it's amazing! Let me just unbox and show you. Wow, this is so good. This is amazing, right? Gold and 256 GB iPhone 12 Pro. And all thanks to Shop the World who got us for the best price. Wow, this is so good. We also got a cable and this is the SIM pin and this is the cable wire for iPhone 12 Pro. Wow, this is so good. Amazing camera. Thank you, Shop the World.